Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download drive for Lexmark. This here for the serial. This here for uh your type the driver the look. The driver to look right. Search the official website for you and like look for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. Click here. This right. Set loading, and this here for the printer. Scroll down, look in the title driver and support, click here for the title. This one is open the landing page, and click for the title driver and download. Paste your model to print here and click find driver and download. This here for the type automatic for you operating system, and my operating system for Windows, specific for Windows 10. And you scroll down. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Mac, for Windows, for Linux. I'm sure for the Mac, a new version for the Mac 12 and Mac 11, new version. This here for Mac 10, this here for Mac 12 and Mac 11, for Mac 12, Mac 11 for the Mac operating system. And if you need like here, you click here for Mac 12. This here for driver for Mac 12. Look in the release update. This here for uh, not new the release update. And if you need change the operating system, and I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux version, you click here. This here for match the Linux version. For the Linux main OpenSUSE Fedora, and this here Fedora 27 and 28, and this here for a new version for Fedora. And I'm sure for the Windows and Windows version, you click here. This here for Windows 11 driver, new version for Windows, and this here for Windows 10 and Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows Server support. This video I'm going to driver the Windows 11 like here, and you scroll down looking the date of release, and this here for the new date release for Windows 11. You scroll down, you look in the title driver and universal print driver installation package, and this here for package for you install, and this here for support your driver, support your freeware or software for you like Mac, Windows 11 support. This here for language English support. If you need to load, you click here and you click your start download. Click here start download. This here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and this why finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click open, and you double click file, and you click next, and you click finish. This here for thank you USB cable printer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time. Assalamualaikum. Gimana kak? Hah? Udah lumayan. Senin besok masuk rumah sakit lagi. Hmm, kenapa? Kalau di direktori putusan pengantar pakai barcode, kakak lagi buka direktori nggak?